How to create localized software instructions. It's always a challenge to create localized software videos. Today I will show you how this is done the easy way. We have a topic here, we call it a production, which is already localized in 3 languages. The challenge is to get localized screens of these instructions, without recording screen captures in these 3 languages. Let me show you how you only create the screen captures once, but the result will be created in all 3 languages automatically. I open the topic in English. Here you see the editor. It's of course still a draft version. We don't have any video fragments yet. We first create a work order to create a task, which we assign to a colleague in order to make this one-time recording. We can add notes to the work order if needed as well. In this case, every step of this procedure is now added to the work order, with some notes. In the video we're about to create, we will show how to delete products from a system. We give instructions what to do step by step. We only have to make these screen captures once. In our case, we use the English user interface. We first add every step of this procedure to the work order. These will form the separate fragments, from which the video creation cloud automatically renders the complete how-to video later on. This preparation will guide the rest of the process. It both provides the structure of the video, as it provides clear instructions to the person creating the screen captures in a consistent way. We now finalize preparing the work order. We point the work order to the software recorder and assign the task to one of our colleagues. We define the 3 target languages, assign our colleague Ali, and we ask him to do this before the end of the week. In theory, you can also ask various colleagues to do parts of the total job. But in this case, Ali is asked to make all recordings himself. We created the work order. It succeeded, and we can consult a list of all existing work orders to keep track on all the assigned work and their status. We also show you what Ali got in his mailbox while receiving the assigned task. He got an email with a direct link to the work order to open the software recorder and start his job. After following the provided link, Ali opens the software recorder, which loads his application automatically. He now starts to capture the various steps. Ali has chosen audio guidance, so he hears the instruction on what to capture while he performs these steps, one by one. In this case, he needs to show how to delete a product. It looked like Ali was creating a video capture of his actions, but he wasn't. He created a what we called JSON file of the mouse click path. We can replay that JSON file on top of every language version of the user interface. It's what you see here. The playback of the JSON file is what is now showing as the red mouse pointer. The JSON click path is replayed in this HTML environment. This is, of course, just a short sample of an actual recording played back in the source language which was used for the recording. This recorded click path and the mouse pointer actions are used to create all needed snapshots of the user interface. This can be done in all available languages of your user interface separately, in an automated way. And these snapshots will become the frames of your video. Like what you see on screen, we have this topic available in Japanese, German, and English. Now, based on the recorded JSON, the frames get generated automatically by the system, based on the localized user interface in these 3 languages. The frames will make the video fragments per step of the procedure, and the fragments together will make the video title of your topic. Text, voice, and user interfaces within the video are now all localized to give you the full experience in your native language. As you can experience next, this video now shows in English, with an English voiceover and the English user interface. The video is now available in English, German, and Japanese.